Welcome back to Catalina 27 channel. Just want to do a quick little product review, satisfaction review from the Catalina Direct rigging kit, standing rigging kit for the 27. Trim to fit. Comes with the on compression fittings, which are quite nice. Comes with name brand turnbuckles. Oh, look, they got little sailboats on them. I don't know who makes them, but they look pretty good. So it comes with all the turnbuckles, the forestay, lower shrouds, upper shrouds, swedge fittings on one end, and again, trim to fit with the compression fittings on the other. They even threw in the washers, thrust washers for the forestay because of the roller furling, toggle for the forestay top. I'm not sure where those go, but here's the split pins. Even threw in some free sea lube. If you call $1,200 for all this free. But yeah, I think it's a good deal. You could probably do a little bit better, but for 4 clicks on a computer and it just shows up at your door, it's a pretty good deal. It only took like 3 days, but I'm in California, so didn't have to come far. But they're so nice on the phone. They answer any questions, and they really do want you to get it right the first time. And I just really appreciate a company that, I don't know, just competent. It's quite rare sometimes these days. So stay tuned. Coming up soon is going to be the electronics installations, and that'll be quite informative, I'm sure, because I've seen some of the hack jobs people do with that. And we'll be addressing all those foibles and pitfalls and just common mistakes people make when they put those in. So yeah, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, blah blah blah, comment, subscribe, and yeah, happy fucking holidays.
And anyone who complains about profanity on a show with a bunny on it is a member of Al-Qaeda. Good night.